Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made these loaded scalloped potatoes in the slow cooker. Let's go. I'm using just over 2 pounds of potatoes, and I'm going to slice those pretty thin just so they cook up fairly quickly in the slow cooker. Once the potatoes are nice and sliced, you'll want to sit them in some cold water. This will stop them from turning brown. Next, you want to grab 1 large onion and slice and then give it a rough chop. To a hot pan, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, then add the onions. Now I'm going to cook these onions till they are just about caramelized. Once they are ready, you'll want to set them aside to use later. Now let's start making our cheese sauce. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir and then cook out the flour. Next, we're going to add 1½ cups of milk with 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Stir in 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using a nice cheddar cheese blend here. Now you want to season with some salt and pepper. I used about a teaspoon of salt as well as a teaspoon of pepper. Now you'll want to taste your sauce and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Once your sauce is on point, you'll want to toss in those potatoes, and you're going to stir those around just to be sure every potato is covered in that sauce. Add a bit of oil to your crock pot so that nothing sticks. Next, layer in half of your potatoes. Half of your caramelized onions. Half of the remaining cheddar cheese. Half of the remaining mozzarella cheese, now repeat with the rest of the potatoes, onions, and cheese. Pour any cheese sauce that's remaining over the top. Now cover and cook on high for 3 hours. Meanwhile, let's make some bacon. We're going to fry up some bacon, and we're also going to chop up some scallions. This is what we're going to use to put over top of your scalloped potatoes when they're ready. Now this will need to cool down a little so the cheese can set, but I couldn't resist cutting into it. That looks so good, y'all. Now I'm gonna go finish cooking the rest of my dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.